best deals. I am sure that you will be surprised seeing these unique cooking accessories. These products are compact and easy to carry. Ideal for balconies, terraces, and picnics. Enjoy restaurant-style grilling with convenience. Few of them works with multiple heat sources, making it a must-have kitchen essential. Enjoy hassle-free grilling with this smokeless stove, designed for healthy cooking. Perfect for making tandoor-style dishes, roasted veggies, and grilled meats at home. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Cast iron grill. Multifunctional cast iron bake pot suitable for roasting, baking sweet potatoes, and more. Made of high-quality cast iron for excellent heat retention and distribution, has sturdy grip and effortless transfer from oven to table. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mocha pot. Makes it a breeze for busy moms to create a delectable cup of coffee in just minutes. No more waiting for your coffee machine to brew. The mocha pot makes it simple to create the perfect cup of coffee, whether you are in the mood for a strong espresso or a smooth latte. Enjoy great taste and personalize your coffee experience with no fuss. Made with high-quality aluminum, the mocha pot is built to last. It's designed to withstand the demands of your busy life, while still delivering the best coffee possible. The sleek and compact design of the mocha pot makes it the perfect addition to any kitchen. It's also easy to take with you on the go, so you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee wherever you are. Pot has a large 300 megaliters capacity and allows you to make up to 6 cups of fresh espresso brews in one go. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Steamer bamboo. Designed using 100% bamboo, giving you a natural option to cooking which is reusable. It is very versatile, allowing you to use your pans you already have in your kitchen. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Yogurt maker. Yogurt can improve your gut and overall health if made right. Unlike other yogurt makers, with its fully automatic feature, our yogurt maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine, other great sources of probiotics. Yogurt machine will let you make enough healthy and nutritious yogurt to share with your loved ones. Features a 304 food-grade stainless steel pot to effectively prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, making it the safest, most sanitary choice. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Deep fryer. 6-liter stainless steel tank, ideal for commercial or heavy home use. Cool touch handle, non-stick inner basket, and overheat protection ensure safe and convenient operation. Removable and dishwasher safe parts, drainage system, and easy cleaning make post-cooking hassle-free. Liter. It has an immersed heating element. The thermostat enables setting different temperature for different frying needs. It is very compact and can be used for deep frying comfortably on your tabletop. With a spacious frying basket, fryer accommodates large batches of your favorite foods, making it perfect for family dinners, parties, or entertaining guests. Easily adjust the temperature to suit different recipes and ingredients, ensuring optimal frying every time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Griller. This barbecue grill set offers a durable and versatile cooking surface, ideal for grilling, roasting, and frying your favorite foods to perfection at family events, perfect for enjoying grilled food at home, in the backyard, or on the go. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soup maker. 6-in-1 multifunctional soup maker helps to make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, milks, cocktails, baby purees and more. Automatic blending and heating, high-speed extraction blade with stainless steel blades makes fresh soup within 25 minutes whenever you want. Its smart processing system extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, ensuring that no vitamin or mineral ever goes to waste. Simply add your ingredients, then press the start button. Create smooth or chunky soups, blend ingredients, make smoothies and clean the unit easily. Food-grade stainless steel construction ensures durable and longevity for both the jug and blade. Soup maker makes it easy to create delicious soups with just a click of a button, so you can focus on other tasks while your soup cooks. No more standing over a hot stove, this machine does it all for you. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Pizza Maker. The elegant, strong, non-toxic, stain-resistant, ceramic-coated metal body and glass lid withstand high temperatures to give you excellent results every time. The glass lid traps the heat inside, creating an oven-like heated chamber. The inner walls have been precisely engineered to place the pizza pan and cake mold at the correct height required for baking cakes or pizza. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Food Dehydrator. The food dehydrator removes excess water from foods without compromising their natural juices, taste, and nutrients, boasting a 97% retention rate of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 food-grade stainless steel height-adjustable trays that allow you to dry different foods, fruits, and veggies at once. The trays can be stacked with a clearance of 1.5 cm or 2.8 cm as per the thickness of the food. The dehydrator is equipped with a control panel that allows you to set a timer and adjust the temperature with a simple touch of a button. You can set the temperature between 35 degrees approximately 70 degrees Celsius and timer from 30 minutes 48 hours with 30 minutes interval, depending on your food dehydration requirements. To clean, simply remove the trays from the machine and wash them using soapy water. The rear-mounted fan dehydrates food more efficiently by evenly distributing heat, so you don't have to rotate trays. The fruit drying machine is equipped with a heater, impeller motor, temperature control, and power switch. It adopts hot wind to dry food to preserve nutrient elements, and the keeping time is longer. Convenient to make natural food with rich flavor for families. Inside LED light and the visible door for checking the drying status anytime and conveniently. Removable chrome-plated racks with a large capacity that can dry different ingredients at the same time, meeting different needs. And the load-bearing grid trays are very hard and durable, so their shape will not be changed easily. Drying is done by hot air circulation with the help of a powerful fan to keep the hot air moving evenly throughout the drying process. A glass door also helps you to monitor the drying process conveniently in real time, dehydrates food for enhanced preservation, 5 stackable tray for flexible and easy food removal, cleaning and increased airflow around your food for a more even and rapid dehydration. Built-in fan is designed to promote drying evenly without overheating, and the adjustable thermostat ensures that foods are dehydrated at their optimal temperature. Easily dehydrate meats for jerky, herbs, fruits and vegetables with the press of a button. Bottom-mounted fan and heating element provide consistent airflow for optimum drying and no rotation needed. Rest easy knowing your dehydrated foods contain absolutely no additives or preservatives. Food drying is a way to preserve fruit, vegetables, and animal proteins after harvest that has been practiced since antiquity. Product link is given in the 9th link.